Welcome back to the Frugal American channel. The pantry is stocked, emergency supplies are organized, but when does prudent planning cross into something more extreme? Prepping and hoarding often spark debate. Both involve accumulating possessions. However, their motivations and outcomes differ greatly. Understanding these differences is crucial for finding balance. Let's explore the world of prepping and hoarding, separating mindful readiness from overwhelming clutter. Prepping is about being prepared. It's about taking the necessary steps to ensure that you and your loved ones are ready for any situation that might arise. Whether it's a natural disaster, a power outage, or any other unexpected event, being prepared can make all the difference. It's about anticipating potential challenges and having a plan. This means thinking ahead and considering what you might need in various scenarios. It involves creating detailed checklists, mapping out evacuation routes, and ensuring that every family member knows what to do in an emergency. Preppers focus on essential resources. They understand the importance of having a well-stocked pantry with non-perishable food items, plenty of clean water, and other critical supplies that can sustain them during difficult times. Food, water, first aid, and tools are key. These items form the foundation of any good emergency preparedness plan. Having a variety of tools and medical supplies on hand can help address a wide range of situations, from minor injuries to more serious medical emergencies. They value self-reliance and community support. While being self-sufficient is crucial, preppers also recognize the strength that comes from working together with neighbors and community members. Sharing resources, knowledge, and skills can enhance everyone's ability to cope with emergencies. Their goal is simple: weather any storm with resilience. This means not only having the physical supplies needed to survive, but also the mental and emotional fortitude to stay calm and focused during a crisis. Practicing emergency drills and reinforcing homes are just a few ways to build this resilience. Prepping is about taking control. It's about empowering yourself to handle whatever comes your way. By being proactive and organized, you can reduce the fear and uncertainty that often accompany emergencies. It's about facing uncertainty with a calm and collected attitude. When you know you have a plan and the necessary supplies, you can approach any situation with confidence and composure, which is crucial for making sound decisions under pressure. This proactive approach promotes a sense of security. Knowing that you are prepared for the unexpected can bring a great deal of comfort and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of life. Being prepared brings peace of mind. It allows you to relax and enjoy life, knowing that you have taken the necessary steps to protect yourself and your loved ones. This sense of readiness can lead to a more fulfilling and stress-free life. Prepping stems from a desire for security. Natural disasters, economic downturns, or unexpected events can disrupt life. Preppers acknowledge these possibilities. They prepare accordingly, not out of fear, but out of foresight. Prepping is a rational response to an unpredictable world. It reflects a desire to protect oneself and loved ones. This proactive mindset can be empowering. It shifts the focus from worry to action. Imagine a powerful storm knocks out power for days. A prepper is ready. They have a generator, non-perishable food, and alternative lighting. They face the situation calmly, their needs met. Now picture a community garden flourishing. Neighbors share the bounty, building resilience. This too is prepping, fostering interdependence and local support. Defining hoarding. When accumulation becomes overwhelming. Hoarding goes beyond preparation. It's the excessive acquisition and inability to discard possessions. Homes become cluttered, often unsafe. Everyday living is compromised. Hoarding is a serious condition requiring compassion and support. Unlike prepping, hoarding is driven by anxiety and emotional attachment to objects. The focus shifts from preparedness to possession. This can lead to distress and isolation. Inside the hoarder's mind. Understanding the psychological roots. Hoarding often stems from underlying emotional distress. Trauma, loss, or anxiety can trigger the need to hold on to things. Objects provide a sense of security and control in a world that feels overwhelming. Hoarding is not about the possessions themselves. It's about the meaning and comfort they represent. Breaking free requires addressing the root causes of this emotional attachment. The dark side of hoarding: real-life consequences. Hoarding can have severe consequences. Clutter creates fire hazards and sanitation issues. Relationships suffer as living spaces become strained. Shame and isolation often accompany hoarding disorder. Hoarding is not a lifestyle choice. It's a mental health condition requiring professional help. Recognizing the signs and seeking support is crucial for improving well-being. Prepping versus hoarding: a tale of two basements. Imagine two basements. One is organized with shelves of supplies clearly labeled and accessible. This is the prepper's haven, a testament to their mindful preparation. The other basement is overflowing with possessions. Pathways are blocked and it's impossible to find anything. This is the reality of hoarding, where accumulation overshadows functionality. Organization is key maintaining control in prepping. Organization is paramount in prepping. It is the foundation upon which all successful preparedness plans are built. Without a clear system, chaos can easily take over, making it difficult to find what you need when you need it most. Items are categorized, labeled, and easily accessible. This meticulous approach ensures that every item has its place, reducing the time spent searching for supplies and minimizing the risk of overlooking essential resources. This ensures that resources are readily available when needed. In an emergency, every second counts, and having a well-organized system can make a significant difference in your response time. A well-organized prepper finds joy in maintaining their preparedness system. The act of organizing can be therapeutic, providing a sense of accomplishment and control over one's environment. Just as tidying brings joy to a home, organization brings peace of mind to a prepper. Knowing that everything is in its place and easily accessible can alleviate stress and anxiety, allowing you to focus on other important aspects of preparedness. It reflects a sense of control and readiness, aligning with the principles of mindful living. By maintaining an organized system, preppers can ensure that they are always prepared for any situation, no matter how unexpected. This level of preparedness not only enhances physical readiness but also fosters a mindset of resilience and confidence. Seeking help resources for hoarding disorder. Overcoming hoarding requires professional help. Therapists specializing in hoarding disorder can provide support. They offer strategies for decluttering, addressing underlying anxiety, and preventing relapse. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength. It's a step towards reclaiming one's space and well-being. There is hope, and recovery is possible with the right support. Finding the balance. Preparedness without paralysis. Prepping and hoarding may appear similar on the surface. Both involve accumulating possessions. However, the motivations and outcomes of these actions are vastly different. Prepping is a proactive approach, where individuals gather necessary supplies to ensure they are ready for any unforeseen circumstances. This could include natural disasters, economic downturns, or other emergencies. The goal is to be self-sufficient and prepared, not just for oneself but often for family and community as well. But digging deeper reveals fundamental differences. Prepping is characterized by careful planning and organization. It involves creating a well-thought-out strategy, assessing potential risks, and gathering items that are truly essential. This methodical approach ensures that every item has a purpose and a place, reducing waste and maximizing efficiency. Prepping is about mindful readiness, fueled by foresight, not fear. It's about being prepared for the unexpected while maintaining a sense of control and calm. This mindset allows preppers to face potential crises with confidence, knowing they have the resources and plans in place to handle whatever comes their way. Hoarding, however, stems from anxiety, leading to clutter and distress. Unlike prepping, hoarding is driven by a fear of scarcity and an inability to let go of possessions. This often results in the accumulation of unnecessary items, creating chaotic and overwhelming living spaces. The lack of organization and purpose in hoarding can lead to significant stress and mental health challenges. Finding the balance between preparedness and peace of mind is key. It's important to approach preparedness with a clear and calm mindset, ensuring that the process does not become a source of anxiety. By focusing on organization and intentionality, individuals can create a sense of order and tranquility in their lives. Embrace the principles of organization and intentionality. Take the time to assess what is truly necessary and valuable. Create systems that make it easy to find and access your supplies. Labeling and categorizing items can help maintain order and ensure that everything has its place. Let your belongings spark joy, not overwhelm. Surround yourself with items that are meaningful and useful. This approach not only enhances your preparedness, but also contributes to a more positive and peaceful living environment. Remember, true security comes not from what you own, but from the peace you cultivate within. By finding the balance between preparedness and mindfulness, you can create a life that is both secure and serene. Embrace the journey of preparedness with a calm and intentional heart, and let it bring you peace and confidence in the face of uncertainty. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your journey to preparedness and peace. Thank you for watching.